blood and destruction. Dreadful objects so familiar. All pity choked with custom of fell deeds. And Caesar's spirit ranging for revenge, with Ate by his side, come hot from hell. Shall in these confines, with monarch's voice.
Do you know the rest, Scott?
Do you know your Shakespeare?
Cry havoc and let slip the dogs of war.
War indeed. Welcome back, Derek. You must all be feeling rather nostalgic. Are you pleased with the little family reunion I've gathered around you, Scott?
Then why don't you come join us and I can thank you in person?
I even have a few visitors for you from London.
Even someone like Jackson Whitmore.
Couldn't resist coming back to Beacon Hill. Say hello, Jackson.
Do it again, old man. Come a little closer. I'm gonna shove that thing so far up your ass.
Lost none of his charm, has he? You can find him here with us at the Armory, Scott. In fact, I'm going to tell you where to find all of them.
Your deputy hellhound met some friends of his while responding to a call at Eichenhaus. Your father was on his way back from San Francisco with the goal of entering the fight. But he didn't get far. You might want to tell your mother to skip her shift at the hospital tonight. Liam and his friends are there now. Optimistic of them, but woefully ill-advised.
This is how you wage war, Scott.
The strategic positioning of your army against theirs.
Which is why you will come to me. You will try to save as many as you can, and you might even save a few. But your limited resources will be spread thin.
And ultimately, you will fail. The dogs of war, Scott. They're coming for you.